So this is our installation that we're working on today. The client wants to be able to view his horses in the barn from the comfort of his house, or also if he's away on his laptop or on his cell phone. So we need to be able to link the barn and the house together so that he can do this. So we're going to do a complete wireless setup here, and I'll show you how it all works. So this is on the house side. We've set up a wireless bridge. So this is the access point that installs at the house side, and it beams over and connects to the barn so that the two buildings are connected together wirelessly. So we'll go over and have a look at the barn side now. So this is on the barn side. This is the other end of the wireless bridge. So this is how the house links over to the barn, so the two are connected. So they now have a complete wireless network connected between the barn and the house. So now we can hook up wireless cameras, we can use our laptops out in the barn to surf the internet, or any like iPhones or Android phones can connect and use the internet from the house. So let's go in the barn now and we'll see how the cameras are all set up. So this is one of the cameras. It's an IP camera. We're using IP throughout the entire install. That way it interfaces nice and easy with the customer's existing network. Allows them to be able to view the cameras on their laptops and cell phones. Either, you know, it doesn't matter if they're on the property or remotely. As long as they're able to connect to the internet or their cell tower and they have connection, they're able to view the cameras. So this one here is viewing a stall, so they can keep an eye on the horse. They do have some pregnant horses that they want to keep an eye on, make sure that they're okay. So that's one of the cameras. We'll have a look at the other ones as well. And this is one of the other cameras. It's viewing this other stall here. Again, these are mainly foaling stalls so that the customer can keep an eye on the pregnant horses, make sure that everything goes okay. And if the horse starts to give birth, they can run out to the barn and make sure everything goes okay. So that's the other one. So for the equipment in the barn here, we've put it all in a weatherproof box. It has a cover and a seal that goes over it to protect everything from the weather. We've got our surge protector in there. We have a 8-port switch so the customer can add extra cameras. We have our power supplies to power the unit outside, the wireless unit that links everything back to the house, and also our cameras are all plugged in here. So that's how everything interconnects. So we'll put the cover back on so everything's sealed and protected from the weather and the elements in the barn here. So here is the picture of one of the stalls here. So we're in the customer's house viewing on their laptop. As you can see, the stall there with the horse in real time. So now you can view on your laptop. You can take your laptop and view your cameras wherever you are in the house. And you can also switch between the different cameras if you want to view different cameras. This is one of the other stalls. There's no horse in the stall right now, but that's one of the other stalls, and I'll show you the third one. There's the third stall. So we have 3 cameras in all. So now I'll show you it working here. I'll show you it working here on the customer's cell phone. This is on an HTC Desire HD. It's an Android phone. So this is one of the stalls here. And this is some neat software so you can scroll through your cameras to view the different stalls. So that is That's the system there. So now they can view on their cameras when they're away, just on their cell phones or on the laptop, as you've seen. So there you go. And the customer also has an iPhone, so we have both an Android phone and an iPhone running here to view the cameras.